The Benz, Mr. Worldwide. Let the beat talk to him.
Okay, everybody, the last Amharic letters are Amharic derivative letters. They are derived from the fourth Amharic letter. So, my friend is gonna read for you again.
Hua, lua, mua, swa, shwa, rwa, kwa, bwa, twa, chwa, nwa, kwa, zwa, zwa, dwa, jwa, kwa, twa, chwa, twa, twa, fa.
Okay, sounds in Amharic letters. Amharic has its own sound, in which people who have foreign language as mother tongue may not able to call. Those are the pink letters that foreign language native speakers cannot call. They call the pink and the black the same, and for Amharic native speakers, both are different. Just check the audio version. Therefore, the letters are translated with English syllable. Let's present the Amharic letters as English native speakers call. Okay. So, ka equals ka, then k, ta equals ta, and the t, cha equals cha, and che or che. The same. This pa, pe, tsa, tse, and tsa. Probably they call it sa, like that. Nya is gne.